one of my athletes called me, and he is in a best of 7 series right now. And those games are pretty close together. Some of them are back-to-back days. And so he texted me and he said that he's having a hard time catching up with his hydration. So I said, let's jump on a call. So I'm interviewing him and trying to assess hydration things. So we're looking at urination frequency. Ideally for an athlete in that scenario, it's every 90 minutes to 2 hours that they have to go pee. And then less overnight. You only want them getting up once to pee. If you're getting up twice to pee, that's too many breaks in the sleep, and I find that is harmful. So his question was, do I switch to Pedialyte or some like electrolytes? And that's actually a hard no. Think about it. We're already dehydrated. Why would we add more salt into the system? So he and I just reviewed some of the concepts, and to his credit, like as an athlete, he's really absorbed, no pun intended, absorbed the content, and he's able to clinically assess his own hydration status. He just got a little bit off track with the concept of the electrolytes. Yes, we need electrolytes if we're sweating a lot, which he is, but he already has a lot of salt in his diet, and I'm giving him electrolytes during his games. So if we're behind it on hydration, the answer is more water. And when do we do that? Between meals, in the middle of the night, before breakfast, and after games. So he told me what he was doing after games, and he was having some protein powder as part of his post-game nutrition, which is good. I said, you know what, just wait a little bit for that protein powder. Just wait 20 minutes, and just for 20 minutes, just drink water. And he had done some hydration tests and some sweat tests for me. And so he figures in a workout scenario, he's sweating about 1.5 liters an hour. But then in the helmet and the shoulder pads, he's a lacrosse player. And in a game scenario, I'm like, yeah, bro, you're probably sweating 2 liters an hour, maybe 2.5, maybe more. And he's 6'2", 240 pounds, low body fat percentage. He's a beast. So anyway, that's some pretty cool sports nutrition. Just wanted to share that. And, if you think you're dehydrated, now every situation is different. But most of the time, you're not going to add salt when you think you're dehydrated. You just might need more water. The scenario where you do need electrolytes is if you're not adding them during long events and you are on a low salt diet and someone's telling you to pull salt out of your diet. That could be bad. Reach out to me if you have any sports nutrition questions. Love to work with athletes.